भाई देखो, हम कोई भी टीम के फैन हो या कोई भी क्लब के फैन हो, टुडे it doesn't matter because Diogo Jota wasn't just a Liverpool player or a Portuguese player, bhai. He was a warrior. And bhai, it is so sad for all of us to know that him and his brother, both of them tragically died in a car accident. So bhai, as the report suggests, northwestern Spain में ये लोग गाड़ी में जा रहे थे दोनों भाई, and it is a suspected tire blowout while overtaking another vehicle which crashed, burst into flames, killing both of them instantly. So on behalf of all the Indian football fans and all the football fans across the world, we just want to say that you will not be forgotten. RIP Diogo Jota and may God give strength to your families. अब देखो, as a football fan हमारा फर्ज बनता है कि हम एटलीस्ट डियोगो जोटा को tribute दे which he deserves. So this is our way, my community's way, my way of showing tribute and love and respect to Diogo Jota and his family. So भाई देखो, डियोगो जोटा was 28 years old and इसके करियर के बारे में हम सब बात करेंगे that he played so excellently at Liverpool, won the league title, अभी second time he won the UEFA Nations League. But I want to cover his career भाई from his journey where he started, फिर वो वुल्स गया, फिर वो वुल्स में परमानेंट ट्रांसफर पे आया, फिर वो लिवरपूल गया. So we will discuss all of that. We will discuss about the talents, the hidden talent which probably दुनिया को नहीं पता होगा. जैसे एक एग्जांपल देता भाई, डियोगो जोटा finished first in the FIFA Ultimate Team Weekend in 2021 and he had a 30-0 record भाई. सारे प्रोफेशनल FIFA players को हरा के he gained the number 1 spot. So this is a guy with talent भाई, not just on the pitch, off the pitch as well. जितना भी मैंने सुना है, पढ़ा है भाई, this guy was very humble, very full of life and चलो डिस्कस करते हैं अबाउट हिज करियर. डियोगो जोटा, रियल नेम डियोगो जोजे टक्सेरा दा सिल्वा. वो जोजे और टक्सेरा का इन्होंने मिला के जोटा बना दिया so that confusion now. He was born on 4th December 1996 in a small Portuguese town, Gondomar. He began his career in the lower leagues with a club called Pascos de Ferreira. तो ये कोई बड़ा क्लब नहीं था भाई, it was just his talent भाई. He literally forced everyone to keep an eye on him. He was that good यार. Jota became the first player in Pascos's history to be sold directly to Atletico Madrid for over 7 million भाई. This is how his journey started. Then उसके बाद came Wolverhampton Wanderers Wolves यार. In 2017 डियोगो जोटा को कोई नहीं जानता था भाई. He arrived on loan from Atletico Madrid and literally no one knew his name भाई. And उस टाइम पे Wolves were also not in the Premier League. They were in a division below that which was Championship. फिर आया भाई डियोगो जोटा का डेब्यू सीजन. He got 17 goals and 6 assists in the 44 games and became the Wolves का top scorer. He had the most contributions, which is 23 for a Wolves player in that championship that season, and he helped Wolves secure an automatic qualification, finishing first with 99 points. फिर of course भाई Wolves को लगा यही तो बंदा है भाई. Wolves signed him permanently in Jan 2018 for 12.6 million pounds भाई, a club record back then. And तब न्यूनो सैंटो था Wolves का मैनेजर. He said Jota's hunger and versatility will define our style of play in the Premier League season. So that is how his journey started in the Premier League. जोटा का एक इंटरेस्टिंग स्टार्ट ये है कि he scored on his debut for Wolves. He scored on his debut for Liverpool and his debut game for Portugal as well, and he is probably the only player to do that. फिर आया भाई डियोगो जोटा का प्रीमियर लीग डेब्यू. He scored his first Premier League goal versus Chelsea in a 2-1 win. He scored a hat-trick against Leicester 4-3 win, which was Wolves' की first top-flight hat-trick since 1977 by. And he became the first Portuguese player to score a Premier League hat-trick for Wolves in the 2018-19 Premier League season. Then of course Wolves इतना अच्छा खेली, they got into Europe and played the Europa League. He scored 6 goals in the Europa League with back-to-back hat-tricks, one against Besiktas and the second against Espanyol bhai. He became the first player ever to score hat-tricks in the modern UEFA Europa League format. Wolves reached the quarter-final, their first European campaign in 39 years, all thanks to their talisman Diogo Jota. Then of course in 2020 he transferred for 41 million to Liverpool, which was the third highest sale in Wolves history bhai. And that was his goodbye to Wolves and his starting of the career in Liverpool. Liverpool, he scored in his Anfield debut versus Arsenal in September 2020, 7 goals in the first 10 games across all competitions, and he also scored a hat-trick versus Atlanta in the Champions League, his first UEFA Champions League hat-trick. Fun fact, he was the first Liverpool player to score 7 plus goals in the first 10 games since Robbie Fowler in 1993. देखो कुछ प्लेयर्स हेडलाइन बनाते, ये प्लेयर हिस्ट्री बनाता था. जोटा स्कोर्ड 10 प्लस गोल्स इन 4 straight seasons despite being a rotational player, and literally by Jurgen Klopp used him as a false nine, as an inside forward and also a support striker behind Darwin Núñez in the seasons later, and every time he stepped on the pitch magic was about to happen. Fun fact, Diogo Jota has 6 match winning goals versus the big 6 teams in the Premier League in all competitions, more than Raheem Sterling, Jack Grealish and Jadon Sancho combined in the same period, which is 2020 to 2024. देखो, you can call maybe Diogo Jota underrated because rotational player था and he was always overshadowed by the likes of Mohamed Salah or Darwin Núñez or Luis Diaz, but he always delivered when it mattered. Bhai, he had the best goals per minute ratio in the squad for 2 out of the 5 seasons he had played for Liverpool. Bhai, and Diogo Jota is the only Liverpool player to score in the Premier League, FA Cup, Carabao Cup and the Champions League in the same season, जो कि उसने 2021-2022 सीजन में ये फीट अचीव करी थी. देखो, he wasn't selfish भाई, he was never controversial, he was just a silent killer. Always bhai, he was a team player, never complained about rotation and always gave the best to his teammates. And for the Portugal national squad, he gave moments of hope, especially after Ronaldo's peak years. A perfect squad player, every coach's dream. Bhai, he was the Portugal's engine behind the captain, and he played a lot of role with Cristiano Ronaldo bhai in the Portuguese squad as well. एक जो टूर्नामेंट याद आता है वो मेरे को यूरो 2020 वाला टूर्नामेंट याद आता है, वेर ही स्कोर्ड अगेंस्ट जर्मनी इन द ग्रुप स्टेज. ही स्टार्टेड ऑल द मेजर गेम्स इवन अहेड ऑफ शाओ फिलिक्स, and he covered defensive shifts and pressing when even Cristiano Ronaldo wasn't doing that. Diogo Jota was doing that job. Fun fact, in Portugal's first game post Ronaldo's captaincy, Jota got the winning assist as well. And of course, bhai, today we heard the worst possible news we could hear as football fans. On 4th July 2025, tragedy struck. Reports confirm that Diogo Jota and his brother, who is also a football player, by the way, he was 25. His brother was 25, was involved in a fatal car accident. No red cards, no whistle, just silence. A footballer gone, a father, a son, a teammate. Just, very, very, very sad to hear, bhai. He literally got married 5 days before this crash. And again, I say that may God give strength to the families and everyone affected. भाई, जाते जाते बस एक ही चीज कहूँगा भाई, he did not chase headlines, he just chased the ball. He didn't roar, but he struck. Rest in peace, Diogo Jota. Your name will live on in the footballing world and you will not be forgotten.